Alright, Jada, we making the Pina Colada video. You want to need a blender? Like, I don't know how big is this blender, I really don't know. And you're gonna need this cream of coconut. This is by Goya, but you could get any one. Here, I have another one, different brand. Cream of coconut. Let's just say cream of coconut. And you're gonna need pineapple chunks or pineapple slices. I usually get pineapple slices, but my mom bought pineapple chunks this time. Oh shoot, dang. It's gonna spill everywhere. Pineapple juice. 100% pineapple juice. Dang it. Spilled some over there. Ice. We need ice. Like a bag like this. Shit, we're gonna need a lot of ice, so I'm probably gonna use like more than half of this. Almost all. Cherries. These type of cherries, like the really red ones. It really doesn't matter what brand you get. Okay, so I already have some ice in here, but I'm gonna put some ice, like 3 little drones of ice. Oh my god, because my brother went to go get some ice, and now it's just got a big hole, and it's gonna be uncomfortable trying to put this out in. Dang. Alright, I'm just gonna take the top off, this little silver piece right there, and take that off. Oh my god. Throw it in there. Make sure it breaks, so it doesn't have to do that much work. Alright. I'm just gonna pick up the ice that I dropped. It only dropped on the table, so I'm good. And I'm just gonna put little by little. So if you don't put enough ice, it's gonna be very liquidy, and it's not gonna be like a pina colada. A pina colada gotta have like a smoothie texture. It's like cold. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the pineapple chunks first. This thing right here, pineapple chunks or pineapple slices, whichever you get. So let me open the jar. So once you got your pineapple chunks, it should look like that. Or slices. Okay, so you just want to pour it inside. Careful. Let me see, last time I did this, I made a huge mess. So once you get it all in there, it should look like that. So these on the side. You want to put the pineapple juice in there as well. It's basically the same as this, but sometimes you're gonna need more because it can't taste too much of coconut or too much of pineapple. So you want to pour the whole thing of this, like the whole thing. Don't be dumb like me. Make sure you shake this thing up. I forgot you had to shake this up. I totally forgot. So what I'm gonna do is pour in the cup like this and put a top on it. Shake it up. So then you want to pour this cream of coconut into the blender. Okay, so you want to pour this thing in there. Pour it, all of it. This has a lot of sugar though, so you do not want to be drinking pina colada every day. Alright, this should be good. Alright, so now you want to put the top and put it in the blender. I'll come back when it blends it off, I'll come back to it. Okay, Jada, so I have it together, the top part in the blender. Turn it on. I'll come back because the drum gonna make a lot of noise and I want you to hear that. Okay, so I finished blending. I'm gonna try it out. See if it needs more pineapple. See if it needs more ice. So you wanna open it up. Try it out right now. With a spoon. So I think it might need a little bit more ice because it's kind of liquidy, but I'm just gonna try it out for now. Okay, So it definitely needs more pineapple. You need more pineapple juice. This is why this is here. 100% pineapple juice. You want to put some in here? Okay, so I'm putting a little bit at a time because I don't know how much it's going to need. So put the top back on. Here we go. And you're gonna put the, dang, this is heavy. Put this John over here. Turn it back on. And I'll come back. So I'm gonna probably put some more ice. Well, not probably, I am. Some more ice. Bring it over here. I want it to be a little bit more chunkier. I'm really bad at recording, but I need to practice because I'm gonna become a vlogger and content creator and whatever. So, just pour it in there. This ice is all bunched up too, look. So if you see ice like that, break it in. Like, just break it because it'll make it easier for the blender to crush it up. Alright, put the top on. Come back again. Alright, so I think it should be done. I'm gonna try it out again. See the texture and all that. See. It could do more ice, but it's good like this too. I'm gonna try it. It's good. It's really good. Oh my god. Okay. Dang, did y'all good. Alright. So you're gonna get your cup. I'll come back to that because I gotta wash some cups. I got the cups. Okay, so when making pina coladas, you want to make sure you're not the only one drinking. Make sure like other family members are there, are going to be drinking it with you, because otherwise you're going to have a lot. Look at this much. So I'm pretty sure my stepdad gonna want some, but I don't know. If there is extra, it's okay. You can freeze it up and then you can eat it as a water ice. That's what I do. I freeze it up and eat it as a water ice. It's just as good. So pour it inside. Oh yeah, this texture is good. It's okay if it spills. And then you pour it inside the other cup. Jesus. Alright. Pour some more in this cup. Dang. Go to the top. Pour something more in this cup. Alright. So, this is where you're gonna want to add your strawberries. I usually only add 2 for each cup. Well, I'm gonna drink some off of this one. This one fill all the way to the top. Alright, hold up, give me a sec. Okay, so add the cherries. What is this saying? Refrigerate after opening the safety button. Okay, so let me open it up. Alright, I got the cherries. So you want to add 2. Make sure the juice don't go inside too much, because then it's just going to taste like pure cherry. Just, you could grab it with your hands, it really doesn't matter. Pour it in there. Put 2 in each one. 1, 2. Yeah, so you don't need the cherries, but I would recommend the cherries. Cherry just give it the extra delicioso. That's what it gives. I'm about to eat one myself because these cherries be too good. Okay. Once you're done with the cherries, put it aside. Basically, you're done with the pina colada. That's it. If you want to add a little umbrella or something like that. That's the pina colada. Here's the extra. if anybody else wants some. Okay, Dita, I hope you know how to do it now.